Hello everybody, Jim again from KSTHL Labels. So, custom logo woven label for clothing. You know, because of the evolution for the market and custom consumer demand for goods is also increasing. So a good clothing brand or a good the clothing products, it will not ignore the importance of a small accessories for the wild products like a small woven label. Actually, in this moment, so many clothing they use a very big the woven labels, because the woven label is not just a logo with a label with a logo. It's almost can can play or make our wild products like like the quality and the styles and so many things, so many functions. And you know, so many times so our labels also can make the good decoration for our vial products. So it is not just labels with our logo or some letters like this. Or in this moment, the labels almost can make the great decoration for our vial products. So, and woven label is an indispensable accessories for clothing brands or shoes or so many products. And the woven label is a very simple to make, and the cost is also very cheaper, but always with a great effect. So that depends on you how do you make the labels quality. So, and I just want to say our good labels is very important for our products. It's very important. So hope you can take more attention on your accessories, on your woven labels. Thank you.